Hello, my name is Sumayyah Syandana Hardjito.
My name is Shafira Nuraini Anindya Saraswati.
And my name is Hawin Mufidah El-Haq. We are from Indonesian School of Kuala Lumpur. Will present a video on the theme of the sustainable cities and communities. Based on the literature review that we have read, climate change is the biggest problem on Earth today and in the future. So, the main question is, what is climate change and what is the impact of climate change on the Earth? Climate change is a significant change in climate, air temperature, and rainfall. This is caused by the increased temperature of the Earth as a result of the increased concentration of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. This can lead to melting polar ice caps, floods, forest fires, drought, disease, and change in nature. Our team highlights waste as one of the contributors to greenhouse gases that have an impact on climate change and environmental problem. Because of what? Because waste continue to increase and has not been managed properly and threaten the preservation of nature. In fact, waste is also a source of energy if managed properly. With wastewater having a drain connection, nowadays, the disposal of waste is different separately. So, based on this background, our solution to overcome this problem is by designing a prototype connected smart dustbin with automatic waste sorting sensors and interconnectedness between similar bins, leading to waste collection for further management, so that waste is better managed, become an alternative energy source, reduce the negative impact of waste on the environment, and it can also help to overcome the problems of our Earth.
So our method that we use in making this prototype is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is intelligence added to a system that can be managed in a scientific context, or it can also be called artificial intelligence or simple AI, which is defined as scientific intelligence. Well, the AI in this prototype is used to detect types of waste, including organic or inorganic waste or others that are connected to the mblock application, where it contains coding data. This AI is also used as a tool to record data on types of waste categories. To make these prototypes, the tools and materials used include a camera belt which is made of plastic cover, servo, embed, cardboard, trash cans, and also a large water bottle which is used as a picture of the pipes on each floor in the apartment. The tools used to make the biogas tractor, they are hoses and gallons which are likened to the biogas tractor. Meanwhile, the material we use in making these prototypes are some samples of waste, which is plastic mineral bottles, paper, banana peels, and rotten vegetables. The manufacturing process starts with coding system on the mblock, then collects data from waste samples using artificial intelligence from various sites, upload the system on the mblock, and continues with manufacture conveyor belt with several revisions.
So, how does this prototype work? Let's check it out. When the waste is placed, it will be censored by an artificial intelligence camera connected to the mblock. After being identified by the camera, waste is directed to the sewer according to its category. So there are three categories, which is organic, plastic, and others. Organic waste is connected to a biogas reactor and fecal waste, so that it can be used for alternative energy and fertilizer manufacture. Plastic waste will go into the pyrolysis machine and the rest will be recycled with other waste. Here is our prototype simulation. Organic waste goes to trash 1, plastic goes to trash 2, and other waste goes to trash 3. This is an illustration of the prototype in each unit and a side view of the apartment. The results of this prototype can also reduce the release of greenhouse gases, which is carbon dioxide and methane, that contribute to climate change, thereby making the surrounding environment healthier and free from the negative impacts of waste. The conclusion of this connected smart dustbin prototype is that it can sort waste into three categories, which is organic, plastic, and others. The connection of this prototype can make it easier for waste to be further processed, and the results can be used as fertilizer and alternative energy.